In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch between models in the DeepSeek app. First, open the DeepSeek app. Make sure you're on a reliable internet connection and that your app is up to date, so the model options load correctly. When the app opens, you'll land on a familiar chat screen. At the bottom, you'll see the message box where you type. Keep your focus there because that's where you'll choose which model you want for your next reply. Right inside the chat interface, look along the edge of the message box for the model toggle. Depending on your device, it may appear as a small label or button showing the currently selected model. Tap or click it to reveal the available choices. You'll typically see options like Think, which is the R1 model, and Search, which is designed to pull in current information online. Here's how to decide between them. Choose Think when you want careful reasoning, step-by-step logic, or help brainstorming and refining ideas. It's great for working through problems, drafting, or getting a more methodical explanation. Pick Search when freshness matters. Things like recent events, updated stats, product availability, or anything time-sensitive where you want the response to consider what's currently on the web. Before you send your message, confirm the model shown on the toggle is the one you want. The model you select applies to the next response, and you can switch again whenever you need to. Changing models doesn't clear your conversation. It simply affects how the next answer is generated. If the list doesn't open, try resizing the window, scrolling the chat input area, or updating the app to the latest version. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you're exploring a complex idea, start with Think to map out the structure, then switch to Search to check for up-to-date references or to see if anything has changed recently. For recurring tasks, get in the habit of glancing at the toggle before each prompt to avoid sending a message with the wrong model. And if you're on a smaller screen, remember that the model selector may be tucked inside a compact menu near the input field. That's all there is to it. Open the DeepSeek app and from the bottom of the message box, toggle between Think and Search directly within the chat. With just that switch, you're choosing the right tool for the job every time.